Trying for 3 years, I finally made my first sale. I'm just going to talk about how I was able to come up with a product and how I was able to with a pricing model which worked for me. First step is basically skills. You have to find out the one thing you are very good at doing. Let's say it can be anything, like it can be like software development, it can be public speaking, it can be like content writing, anything you want to do. And then once you have finalized that, now second step would be passion. You cannot do something which is you are not passionate about. There is any product is a long way to go, and you have to be crazy passionate about it to make a dent in the world. Make sure it also matches your skill set. Let's say for me it is like software development, and as well as I'm passionate about automation tools and making people's life easier. So that just like gives me an idea about myself, right? Now what you have to do is be considerate about demand. There are a lot of things like you have like which has demand, like say movies, but download it from any torrent website. There is like very hard to do a market around it. Once you know like there is a demand, the next step would be like finding a good market. So there can be a lot of good products which is like for a student, but purchasing power of a student is not that high, right? There are a lot of product where we can have a lot of demands around the students, but the purchasing power is very low to them. A lot of time you will be making zero sales, right? And same as like a lot of like, let's say a third world country, you are trying to sell something which is $100, it might not work. So you have to find a market for yourself, for your product. Once you have like 4 of these steps nailed down, now you can actually start finalizing a product. Let me know in the comment if this helps to find your next product idea.